So coming in at a price of 8,800 for the dual channel variant and about 10,800 for the triple channel variant, getting a previous gen flagship Starvis IMX 415 sensor, you get the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, which is one of the coolest option to buy in this Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, because this offers basically a triple channel setup coming in at close to 10,000 rupees and a dual channel setup coming in at close to 8 to 9,000 rupees. Along with this, you also get a modular design, which means you can easily detach or reattach the cabin camera whenever you want. You get a 3.16-inch display, you get a 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and you get a 256 GB memory card support along with a built-in GPS. Now that's a lot of features, and for the fact that Nexdigitron has a dedicated service support via WhatsApp, and they also have a service center located in Pune. So in case if you have any issues, you can go through with that. Lots of good things about the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, considering the huge price drop in this Great Indian Festival sale. So just take a look at the video quality, just look at the kind of image it produces and the kind of specifications it has, and if you're convinced that this video quality is sufficient for your requirements, should not waste any more of your time, go ahead and grab this dash camera right now. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. Let's take a look. So this camera shoots a native 4K resolution, that's 2160p at 25 frames per second at 22,000 kbps of bitrate, and a file size of about 160 MB per minute. Now do note that this 4K resolution is backed with the previous gen Starvis IMX 415 sensor, and just look at this video quality. The colors, the sharpness and the contrast is just the right amount of punchy. I mean, basically what you would expect from a 415 sensor backed with a 4K resolution. Flawless video quality. So this is available in a dual channel mode, which means you can only use front and the rear, wherein you get this super awesome 4K front quality coming in close to 8,000 rupees only. So in terms of providing you the best possible resolution and the video quality, or should I say the picture quality, at a price of 8K, the Nexdigitron Prime Plus does not disappoint and should be your definite choice within this range. But if you do move on to use it in a triple channel mode, which is include the cabin camera, the front camera resolution drops to about Quad HD, that's 1440p at 25 fps, and there's no drastic difference between the video quality except maybe the sharpness part. When you like straight away look at it, the 4K resolution was like much sharper, and that's quite obvious. It has got high resolution. The Quad HD resolution on the other hand looks 95% similar to what we just saw in the 4K resolution. Same level of contrast, same level of saturation and exposure values, giving you a balanced and a natural video quality look. So definitely the Quad HD resolution also does not disappoint and is a worthy consideration within this price range. Moving on to the nighttime quality, though this is a triple channel variant, so you're seeing this in a Quad HD resolution. And as you can see, the contrast levels are very good. You don't find that haziness, that blurriness in the night videos. The exposure levels are also quite decent. The overall field of view is also like close to 130 to 140 degrees, enough to cover a large area right in front of the car, and you get a proper exposure of the headlights that are coming towards you. Even on some terms, you can read the number plates when the glare is not hitting directly on the number plate right in front. So talking about the overall picture quality from the front camera, both during day and nighttime, it's quite flawless. I mean, this is the best possible sensor you can get in this price range, close to 8,000 rupees. The Starvis IMX 415 has been the flagship 4K sensor for Sony for a long time until Starvis 2 came in. Considering that, this is definitely one of the best possible videos you can ever get at this particular price range. Moving on to the cabin camera, so this shoots a full HD resolution at 25 fps at 8,000 kbps of bitrate and about 80 MB per minute of file size. So do note that this cabin camera is detachable, which means you can basically remove it anytime you want. And the field of view of this camera looks like around 110 to 120 degrees, enough to cover the entire cabin and even to some extent the driver side window and the passenger side window. So any activity inside the cabin of the car clearly will get recorded. So in terms of exposure, slightly higher. In terms of contrast, slightly lesser. I mean, you cannot compare it with the Starvis IMX 415's video quality, but nevertheless, considering this camera comes at a price of close to 10,000 rupees, the interior cabin camera is doing its job quite well. There's no haziness, there's no blurriness, there's no distortions or any image relics. The video quality is fine for day-to-day purposes and just enough for evidence-based purposes. Moving on to the nighttime quality, so this is where the infrared lights of the camera turn on, giving you a black and white footage. But the good thing about this is that your eyes aren't red in color. Now most cameras, when they turn on the infrared lights, your eyes will turn totally red and you have like a ghost like appearance. But the Nexdigitron Prime Plus doesn't do that. It gives you a very good looking footage. You look like you, I mean basically you look like a human, you don't look like a ghost in this night footage, so that's a positive thing. So in terms of the clarity, of course, the cabin is looking quite well lit. There's no major complaint against the kind of visibility the camera is able to bring out during dark and low light conditions. So the rear camera on the other hand shoots a similar Full HD resolution at 25 fps, similar bitrate of about 8000 kbps and 60 MB per minute of file size. The field of view looks like around 120 degrees maybe, and the overall video looks a bit warmer, slight yellowish tint to the overall video. That's understandable because this is a normal regular rear camera, so this is also giving you a good resolution and a field of view, considering this comes at a price of close to 10,000 rupees, or should I say 8,000 in the dual channel variant. So in terms of recording evidence, in terms of recording the activities behind the car, this is more than enough. But in terms of maybe recording a crystal clear number plate read at a very far range, this might not be the most ideal camera. So considering that, you have to set practical expectations from what you can expect from a cameras around 8 to 10,000 price bracket, and in doing so you must realize that what you're getting with the Nexdigitron Prime Plus is simply value for money and is simply the best possible quality in that price range. During nighttime the video is actually looking much better. You kind of lose out that warm tone and the video quality is looking much more usable. Now again, as emphasized previously, this video quality is more than enough for any evidence-based purposes, for insurance claims or any legal issues. You don't need like a high quality vlog kind of a quality from the rear camera unless you are a YouTuber and you want vlog videos. So day-to-day, everyday purposes, for day-to-day usage, for everyday person, this is just more than enough video quality from the rear camera, and this is definitely something which you can rely on whenever you need some video from your dash camera. So considering all of these aspects, the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, totally value for money. You should definitely consider this camera. Moving on to the number plate readability during daytime. So take a look, quite a decent number plate read. What more can you expect from the front camera? This is definitely good. Taking a look at the rear camera's number plate read, the image looks a bit on the softer side, but the numbers and letters are clearly visible, and that's what matters in the end. Taking a look at the number plate read during night time, when the number plate is not under the glare of headlights, you get a crystal clear read. And since the headlights are like focused just below the number plate, you can see that white high gloss area at the rear bumper of the car. This is what you can expect, but in case if it's under the glare of headlights, the number plate read will be affected. So definite worth the money dash cam, coming in at a price of close to 10,000 rupees for the triple channel variant. The Nexdigitron Prime Plus is the flagship model from Nexdigitron, and you should definitely consider this if you want a triple channel setup, you want a native 4K resolution from the front, you want GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi and a bigger 256 GB storage, along with a big display with a neat screensaver option as well. So go ahead, grab this dash camera in this Great Indian Festival sale. The discounts are not going to last for a long time. You need to grab the camera right now, and the link to grab it is given right down below in the description. Go ahead, click on it and buy it straight away. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding the Prime Plus, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out, well, you know what to do. See you in the next one.